Hi children, good morning. How are you children? I hope that you all are safe at home. I am your maths teacher. My name is Bhavani. Today we learn place values. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. When we are writing these numbers, we use one place only. But when we are writing 10, we need two places because 0 in 1's place, 1 in 10's place. Okay, so when we write 10, we need two places. These are one digit numbers. So here need one place only. But when we are writing two digit numbers, we need two places, ones and tens. Okay. Let's see how we are writing place values. See first. See now how we are writing place values we learn. See here how many leaves are there? See, this is a coconut tree. How many leaves are there? See first see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. See, again check once. See first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. See here how many leaves are there? 10. 1, 10. Here 1, 10. 10 leaves are there. Here see 10 leaves are there. Here there is a 10 leaves. See here 1 10 is there. Here 1 10 is there. See here now 1 10 and 1. 1 10 and 1. See 1 10 and here 1. See count how many now? Here 1 10. 10 and 1. 10 and 10 and 1 means see here T for tens, O for ones. O means ones, T for tens. Here tens and ones. See 10 and 1. See here 10 and 1. 10 and 1 11. 10 and 1 11. Now what is the number? 11. What is the number name? See you write in the 4 rule. First you use capital letter E L E V E N 11. See ELEVN 11. 10, 1 10 and 1 1. 1 10 and 1 1. 11. 10 and 1 11. See tens. How many tens are there? 1 10. It is tens. T for tens. O for ones. How many tens are there? Only 1 10. And ones how many? 1. So 1 10 and 1 1 11. What's the spelling? ELEVEN 11. Okay. Next see. Again here same only. 10. 1 10 and 1 more. 2 more. 1 10 and 2 ones. See 10 and 2 ones. T means T for tens, O for ones. Tens and ones. See here, how many tens? Only one ten. And how many ones? See, count here. Two ones. How many ones? Two ones. 1 10 and two ones. What is this? 12. 1 10 and two ones. What do we get? 12. 1 10 and 2 12. 12. Again, write in the 4 rule. TWELVE. 12. Okay. Next again. See here again 110 and 3 ones. 10 and 3 more. 10 and 3 more. 10 and 3. See again here. Tens and ones. How many tens? 110 and 3 ones. 110 and 3 ones. 13. 110 and 3 ones. 13. So THIRTEN. 13. Okay. Okay, see again here 110 and 4 ones. 110 and 4 ones. 110 and 4 ones. See 110. How many tens? 110. Okay, sorry. O for ones. See how many tens? 110 and 4 ones. 110 and 4 ones. What do we get? 14. 14. See F capital letter F O U R T E N. 14. Okay. Next again see 110 and 5 ones. 110 and 5 ones. What we get? 15. 110 and 5 ones. 110 and 5 ones. 15. FIFTEN. 15. Next see 110 and 6 ones. 110 and 6 ones. 110 and 6 ones. How many tens? 110. And how many tens? Count how many? 6 ones. 6. Now what you get? 16. What do we get? Got 16. SIXTEN. 16. Okay, see next. See how many ones? 7 ones. How many ones? 7 ones. It is 110. You know 110 and 7 ones. 110 and 7 ones. Tens and ones. How many tens? 1. And ones? How many ones? 7. 1 tens and 7 ones. 17. What the spelling? VENTEEN 17. Okay, next again see. Now already 7 are there. Now one more. Now 8 ones. How many ones? 8 ones. Here 110 and 8 ones. See, 110 and 8 ones, 18. 110 and 8 ones, 18. How many tens? 1. How many ones? 8 ones. 110 and 8 ones, 18. EIGHTEEN 18. Okay, next see again one more. Already how many are there? 8. Now one more, 9. Now how many ones? How many ones? 9 ones. 9 ones. Here 10. Here 10. So 110 and 9 ones. 110 and 9 ones. 110 and 9 ones. Tens and ones. How many tens? 1. And ones? 9 ones. How many ones? 9 ones. So 1 9, 19. NINETEEN 19. Okay. Now see again one more. See again one more. See. Now 10. It is a 10. See, this is also 10. Here 110 and this one also 10. There is this one 10 and it's also 10. Now how many tens are there? 2 tens. Now how many tens are there? 2 tens. 10 and 10 and 10. 10 and 10. Pass. Here already 10 is there. Now one more 10 is there. Now how many tens? 2 tens. See here 10, 10 and 10. 10 and 10. So here now see, now how many tens? See, now how many tens? 2 tens. How many tens? 2 tens. How many tens? 2 tens and ones. See, there is no ones, so 0 in the ones place. So now we get 20. Now we get 20. Now we write number name. 20 spelling TWENTY 20. Okay children, these are in the textbook. You have textbooks I think. See page number 8. There is in the textbook. See there is here some pictures 10 and 1, 11. Here also you copy here ELEVN 11, TWELV 12. Okay, you do practice. You write in your textbook. Okay, page number 8 and 9. There is pay in the textbook page number 8 and 9. You do practice well. See here pictures are there. I used this one, but here See, some children standing one on top of another. Here see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 children, 10 and 1, 11. See here 10 and 2, 12. 10 and 3, 13. 10 and 4, 14. Okay, like that. You have in your textbooks. So please practice well.